Firstly, mix and check your colour using Image waterborne paints. LRC42 heat-cured compound is used to fill the repair area. Build up slowly, curing each layer with a hot iron and protecting with the non-stick Teflon sheet. To speed the cure, use the metal chill bar. The grain is reinstated by ironing on a texture mat. Recolour using light mist coats and allowing each coat to flash off. On smaller areas such as scratches, dab on the colour with either a sponge or cotton bud. For older leathers, Image Leather Feed will bring back the suppleness and natural feel. To further enhance the complete repair, Image Leather Conditioner will recreate the natural smell and sheen of the original factory finish.